We'd like to welcome Leisl Nydegger, the immediate past chair of the Student Assembly of the APHA. Welcome.
Thank you.
Well, let's start off with, what is the APHA Student Assembly?
The Student Assembly is the nation's largest student-led organization dedicated to furthering the development of students who are the next generation of public health professionals. And our mission is to improve the future of public health by promoting excellence and professional development among students in public health and related disciplines.
So how exactly does the Student Assembly prepare students and young professionals to enter the public health sector?
So we encourage the development of leadership skills. We also promote networking events. We also provide access to public health related jobs, internships, scholarships, award opportunities, even postdocs. We also promote public health advocacy, and so we keep students informed of major public health issues as they arise. We also provide information and trainings on how to contact decision makers and legislators. And also students can further their leadership skills by applying to become a member of a committee or a co-chair of a committee.
So what's new for the Student Assembly at this year's meeting?
So at this year's meeting on Saturday, we have our national student meeting, and we are really excited. It's a completely new format this year. In the morning, we will have a very interesting roundtable discussion with both national and local leaders. And then the early afternoon, we're giving the students an opportunity to actually immerse themselves in New Orleans community, and they're doing actual site visits to agencies throughout New Orleans that are working on rebuilding and growing New Orleans post-Katrina. And then in the afternoon, they're going to get a advocacy workshop, which is really interesting. We are also having professionals from various APHA sections actually going to be at the Student Assembly booth to speak with students and encourage participation in this student participation in the sections. And then what we always do, we have our welcome and orientation session Sunday at 4. We have our student social event Monday at 8, and our business meeting Tuesday at 6:30, and then of course poster, oral, and roundtable presentations throughout the annual meeting.
So what are we looking forward to for 2015?
We're really excited about kicking off our completely new and improved national mentoring program that will do a much better job of connecting mentors and mentees throughout the country. We are also rolling out the Regional Student Liaison Program, and this will provide support to affiliates throughout the nation to help get students involved more at the local level and hopefully bridge the gap between affiliates and APHA for many of the students. And we're also hoping to provide more webinars on like professional development, advocacy, and hopefully many more.
So why do you think it matters that students are involved in public health?
So public health is everywhere. It's all around us, and but it's often overlooked, and we tend to have a fix-it mentality, and public health kind of gives us a more prevent-it mentality. So we really need to, protect and help the environment all around us. Public health helps us do that. So students are the future of public health. They're going to be the community health workers, the nurses and doctors, the researchers, and everything in between. And it's those individuals that are going to be improving the science, the health, the policies for everybody around them, and that's how we're going to become the healthiest nation.
Thanks for joining us today, Liesl.